So, good morning, friends. Uh, from today, I'm going to present and create a video series of Viptela SD-WAN. So, this is my topology, Viptela SD-WAN topology. Here, I have used one vManage, one vBond, and two vSmart. And this is the CS server, which will and so this is the our topology, and I have created the two headquarter 1 and the headquarter 2. So it will be used when we will configure the topology. Will hub and spoke topology, then lots of policies and topology will be I show you one by one. So first of all, today we are starting to configuration part of SD-WAN. So first of all, we have to configure the internet router, okay, so that our devices can reach to the internet. Okay, so just my name is Yogesh Kumar, and I'm just going to start this series for today. So start the internet router meanwhile, so that it will be a start, and we'll start to configuration. Whatever configuration I will do, I will be do it with the recording, so you will be see how to configuration, what need to be configured, each thing I will show you. So our router is started, and you can see nothing is configured currently. So we will configure one by one. So first of all, what configuration will be required here? First, try to understand here what configuration is required. First of all, I'm going to configure the interface 0 by 0, which one is connected with our cloud. So it will get the automatic IP address through the DHCP, and I will be configure here the PAT as well, so that whatever the prefixes will be come, it will be get translate through the PAT with the public, and then it will be go to the internet. So now start to configuration, just see. Check now, my configuration has been done. I have just defined the interface as just so interface brief, and so first of all check that it's getting the automatic IP address. Now you can see I have defined the interface as an IPNet outside. Because of it, this interface will be our outside interface. Rest of all interface of this router will be inside interface. So whatever packet will be come through the inside interface, it will be get to the translate through the outside interface, and your device, your packet will be reached to the internet. So for that, now we have to configure the interface 0 by 1. So copy the interface 0 by 1. Okay, come to the interface, give the description. and this interface is the part of inside interface, so I have to define this interface as a inside. So just go to the interface, IP net inside, and then we have to configure the ACL also, create one ACL, so that under the ACL I will be call the all the inside prefix as a interested traffic. So access list 100 permit IP any. Then now I have to configure the PAT. So PAT configuration is basically similar to the NAT. Just last you have to define one keyword, that is the overload. So just see IP NAT inside source list, source list 100 interface, through which interface, that interface will be the outside interface, which one is the 0 by 0. So just copy this interface, yeah, and just give the one keyword, that is the overload command. So it will make the translate from your all inside prefix with the single one side interface, outside interface prefix. It's done now. Our configuration has been done from internet router. So let me check. So IP interface brief, IP addressing has been done. Now netting out ACL both are done. So just check, is it reachable to the internet? Yeah, it's done now. Just check with the source, because of I have done the netting as well. So it's working or not? Yeah, it's working now. So fine, our internet router configuration has been done. Just write the command, and so thanks for watching. And in next video we will see how to configure the WAN router, what configuration will be required here, and like and subscribe my channel if you are really enjoy this video. Thank you.